How to create purchase request. To create purchase request, go to Project Dashboard. Click on Manage Materials. Click on Purchase Request. Click on Add New for creating new purchase request. Select Date. Select Location Type. Select Location. Click on Add Material. Select Material Category. Select Material. Enter required quantity. Select Measurement Unit. Select required date of material. Write remark about material specification. Click on Add Material. If you want to add more material, then click on Add Material and repeat the process. Write remark. Click on Save. Create supplier-wise different purchase request. Now, the purchase request is created. For approval or rejection, click on Purchase Request. Here you can find option for remark, reject and approve. You can add new material and new location from master record.